Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this ceramic utensil holder that I got for our kitchen. We just did a kitchen renovation and I wanted something new, a different color. I found this one and I absolutely love it. I have a lot of bamboo utensils which I like to keep exposed. I like to keep them on the countertop. So I wanted something to contrast with the color, like the natural wood color. So that's why I decided to get this utensil holder in the color black. So this is very high quality. It's heavy. This is heavier than I thought. So it is real ceramic. One thing I really like about it is, let me show you here on the bottom, this non-slip mat that they have on the bottom. It's also here so it doesn't scratch your countertop when you're moving it around. You can also use this as a flower vase, which I never even thought about it, but I think it would actually look really good. You can see like the little detail right here by the top. It's a pretty nice design, a very high quality. This utensil holder is actually a lot bigger than I thought. Let me show you right here one of the spoons I have so you can kind of see how deep this is. So it's big, it's deep, it fits my utensils perfectly. But yeah, I really like this utensil holder. Like I said, I think it looks really good, really nice on my kitchen. So if you are looking into buying one of these, I really recommend.